I always recommend to start painting with 3 round brushes. A small one around size 3, a medium one something between size 5 and 6, and a large one, let's say size 12. Because of their versatility, they'll be all you need at the beginning. In fact, you could paint an entire painting with one medium round brush, which is more or less what I'm going to do now. For this painting, I will use one medium brush and one small for details. Don't rush spending money on a high number of different brushes, because as you can see in the touch file, there are too many of them. It's important to understand if you like painting, what do you like to paint and how. After this, you can go for the best tools for you. So, as you can see in this lecture, I'm simply washing my paper. In that way, the colors would be lighter and they will mix better thanks to the water. Don't exaggerate though, you need only to make the whole surface lightly wet. Now that everything is ready, let's move to the next lecture and let's start painting together.